Hey everyone! Welcome back to AnHome channel, your go-to place for all things tech. Today, we're tackling a question that many of you have asked: how do I delete my Instagram account? Whether you're taking a break from social media or just want to start fresh, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Instagram account deletion page. You can't delete your account from the app, so you'll need to do this on a desktop or mobile browser. Step 2, log into your Instagram account by entering your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account you wish to delete. Step 3, once you're logged in, you'll be asked to select a reason for deleting your account from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Step 4, after selecting a reason, re-enter your password in the field provided. This is to confirm that it's really you making this decision. Step 5, finally, click or tap on Delete your username. You'll see a notice about the 30-day period during which you can change your mind. After that, your account will be permanently deleted, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram account. Remember, if you change your mind within 30 days, you can log back in to cancel the deletion process. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.